Hello everyone, this is dried lovely. I've got some lovely effects happening there, and I finished off painting the Honesty. If you're interested in seeing how to do a full-blown painting with Honesty, and there's one over on my Vimeo channel, the link will be below this video, so you can have a look what's available, and there's one with Honesty on there. So anyway, one thing that didn't work out is when I pulled the masking tape off, you can see that the ink seeped underneath. So luckily I've got a husband who does my framing and makes mounts whenever I want to, and he quickly made me a mount. So that looks really nice around there. So let's have a look what it looks like in the frame. So that's the mount gone in, and then I would tape it in with framer's tape, similar to that but all the way round. And let's have a look. Oh yeah, that is really nice. So we must get that level. You know, I'm just rushing it at the moment, but we can get that level, seal it properly, and I might seal the actual painting with this Schminker watercolour fixative. Now I've got a little bit of watercolour on there where I work back into the Honesty. So you can see what you can achieve by using old frames and making something, a real centerpiece in your living room or lounge, and making it be all about the frame, but the simple little painting brings it all together. Hope you've enjoyed that.